kitchen doesn't hold that scent anymore. No lullaby wakes me from the sleep I endure. The picture on the wall, there's nothing to say. The trunk that is locked stays hidden away. In the middle of a crowd, I search for your hand, looking for your ghost in a dream-filled land. When I fall, the wound feels so deep and so wide. Without your breath to heal it, the pain has no place to hide. You taught me how to walk, but not where the path goes. Even the sun feels cold and the light never glows. Mother, where have you gone to hide? Are you the tear that stabbed inside? You look for your face in the stars up high, longing for the warmth of your laugh and a sigh. I hold the corner of your own